Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the England away shirt for 24 European Championships, and this is from bestzv1.com. You might be thinking that you've already seen this shirt on my channel, and you'd be correct. We had a look at the fans version before, and this time we've gone for the player one, so we're going to have a quick check through to see what the differences are. Details for the seller bestzv1.com will be in the description of this video. If you are new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. The shirt itself comes in a standard Nike bag, and then on the flip side it just has the usual health warnings. Now these England shirts have had a lot of criticism, most notably because of the difference in George's flag. I do like the colour on this one. It's something slightly different. I did like the fans one, so hopefully the player one is equally as good. As I said, the seller is bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of the video. I'll also have to have a look to see if I can get a DHgate link as well, and I'll put that in the description as well, because I know some people prefer buying from there. So what we'll do now is we'll get this Nike bag open and we'll have a look at the England away shirt for the European Championships in 2024. Shirt bestzv1.com, details in the description. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt. Just a standard collar that goes around it, a little loose thread there. That'll come off of a pair of scissors. The Nike emblem has been heat pressed on. This being the player spec, obviously you can see there's a lot more texture to the material. England badge has been heat pressed on as well, so it's like a rubbery sort of vinyl feel. Hopefully you can just about get an understanding what I mean, being rubber. To be fair, this is rubber as well actually. No patches or anything on the sleeves. Stitching looks good. We've got this interesting pattern down the side, which has caused some controversy, sorry, couldn't say it then. And you've got the England engineered, which I think has probably been glued on actually at the bottom. On this side again you have the patch. It is a breathable material here, so you can just about hopefully see there are some slight holes through that. I like the colour of this shirt. It's like a dark purple. I'm not sure whether I like this banding down here, but on the whole I do like the purpley colour. I think it's something different and it looks quite smart. Onto the back, which is very plain. Collar line is the same, it's got that little indent there as the front had. I've gone for no name or number on the back or anything, but obviously you've just got the texture again being the player version. The player version shirts are always slightly tighter as well. I will get to the sizing, but I do recommend when you're buying these sort of player shirts just to go 1 or 2 sizes up if you want a bit of comfort on them, otherwise they are quite tight fitting. It's got the dry fit ADV, and again you can just about now with the light shining on see my hand through it, so that gives you an indication of the thinness and the lightness of the material. But all in all, stitching looks good. But yeah, no name and number. I tend not to do that unless it's a retro one, then I do. But these sort of shirts I try and keep them plain, because then you can just wear them as and when, it doesn't really matter. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt now, and we just get these standard tags that you get with all these sort of shirts. And then you get the XL size there. As I mentioned earlier, it does say XL, but being the player one, they are a bit tighter. Stitching looks tidy down there. Side looks good. England badge and the star said been heat pressed on, and you can feel that through there, so you know it's gone on well. There's no bobbles or anything. Likewise with the Nike tick again, really nice. I've got to say actually this material is very nice actually. I'm not sure what's different about it. A little bit of cotton mess up there, but that's, to be fair, what you'd expect from these sort of shirts. We do have our washing instructions here as well. Recommendation with these sort of shirts is to hand wash them, flip it inside out, and when you dry them, make sure you just hang them dry. Do not put them in a tumble dryer. If you do that, your shirts are likely to not last very long. I do have a video on this channel actually. It shows you what it's like if you just wash one and put it in a tumble dryer. So check that out. Go on the final part of the inside of the shirt now. And that interesting colour line continues around on the inside, where most shirts this season have this banding. And there's the infamous St George's Cross in some interesting colours. Caused a lot of uproar, this has. One simple little item, and I know people do not really like it, and I can understand why. Again, size XL, but it is the player fit, so it is much tighter. Not a lot to really call out on this side at all. We've covered pretty much everything. Push in, you can't see, you can make out where the shape of the badge is, but you can't see through it or anything, which is good. So that's it. That is the England away player shirt. I do like this shirt. And there it is. There is our England away shirt for the Euros from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. Now, I mentioned throughout the video, I do like the colour of this one. I think it's a really nice colour. Hopefully the purple is coming across on the video. I think the thing that I don't really enjoy so much, it's just this colour. I'm not overly sure what the purpose of it is. Oh, there's a bit of a loose stitch in there, look, I just noticed it. But we can just chop that off with a pair of scissors. But yeah, I'm not really overly sure what this colour line's for. Keep it simple, keep it traditional is probably my words that I would say. But yeah, I do like the colour, and I'd probably have made that like a gold as well, just to have stood it out a little bit more, because it is quite hidden. But I hope you have enjoyed this one. If you have, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Link for the seller, ZVBest1 or bestzv1.com, will be in the description of this video. I'll also try and leave a DHgate link as well, because I know some people do prefer using DHgate. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.